Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into the charming world of cottage garden design, and let's learn about its benefits, best plants, and decoration tips to create a beautiful outdoor oasis. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A cottage garden, often associated with idyllic rural settings, is more than just a garden. It's a place of tranquility, beauty, and natural abundance. With its informal and romantic style, a cottage garden can transform your outdoor space into a personal sanctuary. A cottage garden is characterized by its relaxed and uncontrived appearance. It often features a mix of flowering plants, herbs, and vegetables, all growing together in a harmonious blend. The goal is to create a space that feels welcoming, inviting, and filled with life. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, a cottage garden offers a multitude of practical advantages. From enhancing biodiversity to promoting relaxation, the benefits of this charming garden style extend far beyond its visual appeal. Choosing a cottage garden design offers several benefits such as: first, beauty and tranquility. The informal and romantic style of a cottage garden creates a peaceful and visually appealing space. Second, biodiversity. By incorporating a variety of plants, including native species, you can support local wildlife and enhance biodiversity. Third, functionality. Cottage gardens can be designed to include edible plants, providing fresh produce for your kitchen. Fourth, personalization. With its customizable nature, a cottage garden allows you to express your unique style and personality. When selecting plants for your cottage garden, it's essential to choose varieties that thrive in your climate and complement the overall aesthetic. Here are some excellent options to consider. 1. Flowering perennials. Roses, peonies, lavender, and daisies are classic choices. 2. Herbs. Basil, thyme, rosemary, and mint add fragrance and culinary value. 3. Vines. Clematis, honeysuckle, and jasmine can create vertical interest. 4. Vegetables. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans can be integrated into your garden for both beauty and function. To truly bring your cottage garden to life, it's time to add some personal touches. Let's explore some creative ways to decorate your space and make it uniquely yours. You may consider these decorative elements. First, winding paths made of stone or gravel can guide visitors through your garden. Second, arbors and trellises. These structures provide support for climbing plants and create focal points. Third, water features. A small pond, fountain, or bird bath can add a soothing element to your garden. Fourth, garden ornaments. Statues, birdhouses, and wind chimes can add personality and whimsy. Fifth, outdoor seating. Create a cozy seating area with benches, chairs, or hammocks for relaxing and enjoying your garden. Ready to dive into the world of cottage garden design? Let's explore some unique and beautiful ideas to inspire your next project. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best cottage garden design ideas. 1. Secret garden. Create secluded intimate space within your garden by surrounding it with tall hedges or trellises covered in climbing plants. Small bench or hammock for relaxing and enjoying the peaceful ambience. Incorporate fragrant flowers like jasmine or honeysuckle to enhance the sensory experience. 2. Herb garden. Grow variety of herbs in raised beds or containers for easy access. Consider using herbs with different heights and textures to create visual interest. Label each plant for easy identification culinary use. 3. Cottage-style greenhouse. Add touch of elegance and functionality to your garden with charming greenhouse. Use it to start seedlings, overwinter tender plants, or simply enjoy the beauty of your plants year-round. Decorate the interior with hanging baskets and potted plants. 4. Cottage-inspired vegetable garden. Grow your own fresh produce in visual appealing way by interplanting vegetables with flowers. Consider using companion planting techniques to benefit both the vegetables and the flowers. Trellises or cages for climbing vegetables like beans or cucumbers. 5. Romantic rose garden. Create fragrant, beautiful space with climbing roses that can be trained over bores or trellises. Small fountain or bird bath to enhance the romantic atmosphere. Plant companion plants like lavender or thyme to repel pests and attract beneficial insects. 6. Woodland cottage garden. Incorporate native plants and natural elements to create rustic and inviting space. Use fallen logs or stones for pathways and borders. Plant ferns, wildflowers, and shade-loving perennials. 7. Cottage-style water garden. Add calming, serene element to your garden with small pond or stream. Incorporate aquatic plants like water lilies, water hyacinths, cattails, small waterfall or fountain for soothing sound. 8. Cottage-inspired patio. Create cozy outdoor living space for entertaining relaxation. Comfortable seating, small table, outdoor lighting. Decorate with potted plants, hanging baskets, garden ornaments. 9. Cottage-style pergola. Provide shade-in support for climbing plants with charming pergola. Decorate the pergola with hanging lanterns or string lights for festive atmosphere. Create seating area underneath the pergola for outdoor dining or relaxation. 10. Whimsical fairy garden. Create miniature world filled with magic and imagination. Use small stones, twigs, moss to create miniature landscape. Tiny figurines, fairy houses, miniature plants. A cottage garden is a delightful and rewarding project that can transform your outdoor space into a personal oasis. By following these guidelines and incorporating your own unique style, you can create a beautiful and inviting garden that will bring joy for years to come. Ready to start planning your cottage garden? Visit our website for more inspiration and design ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future gardening tips and tutorials. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.